This is the SLik suture anchor in a subscapularis repair. You can see that we've placed our suture through the tendon itself, and then we punch our socket. We introduce the tendon into the inserter, placing this to depth that auto-tensions the sutures to the bottom of the socket. We can increase the tension as we desire if we feel we've not got enough with the initial introducer. Then we depress the button, deploying the driver handle to act independently from the inserter, and this allows us to place our screw to depth for a subscapularis repair performed arthroscopically.